Hey guys, I just wanted to answer a couple of questions about tonight's homework. You had the Unit 32 homework paper. It was a front and back. Number one, it gave you 6 inequalities, and you had to figure out which set could represent the possible solutions. And so the first one I did, you had b minus 7 is less than negative 12. And so they're subtracting 7, so you do the opposite. So you add 7 to both sides. And negative 7 and a positive 7 would give you a 0 pair. And that leaves you with your variable of b. And then you have negative 12 plus 7, which gives you a negative 5. So what this is saying is that all numbers less than negative 5 can be a solution. And so you go to your solution choices, and you're looking for the one that has all numbers that are less than negative 5. And if you look at that, letter D, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, because those are negative numbers, their value is less than negative 5, even though the actual number part is a larger number than 5, okay? So be careful with the negatives and don't get those, mixed up. So that's number one. Number two, well, it's still part of number one, but the second inequality that you have is 8b is greater than 40. So they're multiplying by 8. So you would do the opposite, which would just be to divide by 8. So we would divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 would be 1, which would just leave you with b. And then, 40 divided by 8 would be 5. And so our answer would be, and sorry, the sun's shining in the window, would be all numbers greater than 5. So we would go back up and look at our answer choices and find the set that has all values greater than 5. Okay, and so we have 8, 9, and 10. Those are all greater than 5. And 5, 6, and 7 includes 5. So we did not have the greater than or equal to symbol or inequality symbol. So we would figure out that our answer would have to be B. Okay, so B would be our answer for that one. So just remember, what you have to do is solve your inequality and then look for the solution set that would be true for that inequality. I hope that helps you with that problem. And if there are any other questions that you have difficulties with, then I will be happy to answer questions at the beginning of class tomorrow. Have a good evening.